Hello, Bird Dogs Afield viewers. Today in this episode, we're going to demonstrate several methods of teaching your pointing dog to stay still. We need our pointing dogs to stay still so that they can learn things, specifically the whoa command, honoring, of course pointing, that hopefully comes naturally, and in other areas where you may want your dog just to be still. So the first thing we're going to show is the whoa pull. So let's get going. Let's go. So we're going to quarter up to the whoa pull because that's what he's doing in a hunting situation. He's hunting, and then he goes on point at the scent of a bird, and he has to go on a standstill. So this is just a half hitch. Under his belly. You want to try to do it as quickly as you can to discourage the dog from moving. I'm not too great with my rope, so I'm a little slow, but he's pretty tolerant. And what you're going to do is you're just going to simply stretch out. Now, what you want is you want the dog to accept staying still, and he will show you acceptance by licking his lips or blinking slowly several times. Blaze has done this exercise before. Some dogs thrash and vocalize and act like they're going to die. Blaze has been a little bit more accepting, but he's not quite accepting yet. Oh. So when you see acceptance, you simply slowly walk up your long line. Release him as quickly as you can. And quarter away. Whoa. So in this exercise, I've started teaching Blaze to whoa. I've put my hand out in front of him, and I've actually let go. And he's doing fabulously for a dog that does not really know this exercise. Other dogs may be a lot squirmier, may move a lot more. Blaze. Whoa. So now I'm putting Blaze up on this table simply to save my back. It's a great elevation to be able to lift your dog up. Blaze is a little beyond the lifting age, but you can lift your dog up and set him back down to start teaching him whoa. Obviously, I can't do that with this fellow. I'm very happy with the way Blaze is behaving. We have little Tweety birds chittering at us over there, and he's been very good. Come on, let's go. Good boy. One more time. Blaze. Up you go. Whoa. Blaze. I'm very happy with that. Blaze is not what I would call whoa trained, but he did very good on that. So this next exercise is another method of teaching whoa using place boards. And these place boards are homemade. Just a simple wooden platform with a little bit of carpeting on top. So, let's go. Blaze may sit on these because this is akin to obedience with me being beside him. But we'll see. Blaze. Place. Blaze. Place. Blaze. Place. So in my last run through, I just said place. Now I'm going to introduce whoa. I'm going to tell him place and then whoa. Place. Place. Whoa. Blaze. Place. Whoa. Blaze. Place. Whoa. Blaze. All right. So this little article is the suitcase handle. This is another way of teaching whoa. So it's just a piece of rope with 2 clips at either end and a ring. And that's going to go around his waist. And then the other clip gets clipped to his collar. We'll take off the long line. And here we have a nice little suitcase handle. So this is another way of teaching whoa, getting the dog to stand still. And Blaze has been on the suitcase handle once before. In fact, I think that giving a dog a little bit of experience on the flank like this will help you on the whoa pole. Because on the whoa pole, a dog can, when you pull a dog tight, the dog can really flip out. So I think having a little bit of experience on the flank first helps the dog not get too overexcited on the whoa pole. It can really be ugly. So this is the suitcase handle, and what we're going to do is we're going to simply walk around and say whoa. Whoa. Blaze. Whoa. Blaze. Whoa. Proofing him a little bit here. Blaze. Whoa. So what you can do with the suitcase handle as well, once your dog gets comfortable with it, and he's clearly not comfy with it, and that's fine because he hasn't done it all that much. But what you can do with a suitcase handle eventually is you can throw a dummy, you can throw a dead bird, you can throw a live bird. You can throw any number of things you like and then fire your starting pistol. And that's going to simulate the action that you get out in the field in front of a bird in a hunting situation. So the suitcase handle is available through Lion Country Supply, or you can simply make your own with a short piece of rope, an O-ring, and 2 brass clips at the end, at each end of your rope. Hope this helps.
Bird Dogs Afield, presented by Native Performance Dog Food and brought to you in part by RST Shot Shells, Mud River Dog Products, Pete Shoe Dryer, Thorogood Footwear, and Merkel Shotguns.